So we have had a 2-day training with Jonah about public speaking, and actually I enjoyed a lot this session. There were a lot of advices on practical improvements of public speaking, and actually I have a lot of experience in doing presentations in public for sales, for management and other topics, but I gained something new for me here, and being in observant mode, I still enjoyed a lot being once in a while part of games or sessions he conducted. And if you are in a position to improve or enhance public speaking of your teammates or yourself, I can recommend Jonah as a good partner and excellent coach for doing so and conducting sessions for yourself to improve your public speaking.